What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Duck Barber Yakubs, and I hope everyone is safe and enjoying your time being at home. So today's video is gonna be about just me giving a tie top fade to one of my clients here, and as already started, I just started off with zero guard clothes and creating a guideline around his head. Right, so right now I'm just cleaning the side and I'm about to create a second guideline using zero guard lever open, but I've never actually introduced myself before. For those who just came into my channel or who have watched my previous video of self-cut tutorial, my name is Momo from Duck Barber Yakubs, and I'm a university student. And I'm also a beginner barber, so I just started cutting people's hair like a year ago, so I'm still fresh. I mainly cut the hair of students here on campus, so all of my clients are basically university students from different corners of the world. So I started my YouTube channel because I thought it would be nice to have a platform where all my haircuts are being recorded and uploaded, where people around the world can watch it and evaluate my work. In this way I can improve my haircut skills, since I have so much more space to improve. That's how I started. So if you like it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, or a thumbs up, like it. If you also like it and want to support my YouTube channel, then make sure to leave a comment down below of ideas or suggestion of my future upcoming videos. For instance, I was thinking of maybe reviewing and unboxing trimmer or like other equipments or tools that is used for like fading haircut. So it would be nice insightful information for those who also want to cut their own hair or like want to become a barber or whatsoever, you know, because we're on the same ground. We just started off, like, you know, everyone is confused where to start, how to start, what to do. So if you have video ideas, leave a comment down the comment section below. Alright, so right now I'm just taking the bulk down between number 2 guard closed and number 1 guard open. I'm using 1.5 guard open and closed, and I switch back to number 1 guard open and working on some detail work. So I see some dark spot or like a bulk of hair, and I'm just attacking that spot. Alright YouTube, thank you for watching. This is the cut. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And I hope to see you very soon. See you, boss.